My Kitchenaid model KOCE500Ess04 had an F1E5 error code inverter error. We purchased a new inverter board and installed today. Still getting the F1E5 error message, even after resetting power to the unit. Next steps.
Do you know the model of your Kitchenaid appliance? How old is it?
Kitchenaid microwave KOCE500Ess04. 5 years old.
Do you know the model of your Kitchenaid microwave?
Noted above.
How long has this been going on with your Kitchenaid microwave? What have you tried so far?
2 to 3 months intermittent, last 2 weeks only operates for +/30 seconds before error message. Powered off several times between 10 seconds up to 30 minutes. Today removed unit and installed new inverter board. Reinstalled. Powered up, same issue and error message.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I think that's about it so far.
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your microwave. I understand how frustrating that must be. If you don't mind, please allow me a few minutes to look up your model and type. In the meantime, if you have anything else you'd like to add, you can respond and I'll read it while I'm typing.
Okay, thanks.
F1E5 does come up as an inverter error, but it's not usually the inverter board itself that has failed. The error simply means that the invert board doesn't detect an amp draw from the magnetron. This could be caused by a bad inverter board, a bad door switch, or a bad magnetron. Make sure the door switches all check good using a multimeter. If that checks good, the magnetron itself will need to be replaced because it can't be tested and neither can the inverter board, but the inverter board was already replaced. I'm glad I could help. If you need anything else, just let me know. I hope you enjoy your experience with JustAnswer.com. I look forward to helping you again in the future.
How do you test the door switches with a multimeter? When I first installed the new inverter board, it ran twice for 1 minute with no errors. Third time I put a cup of water into heat, error message within 20 seconds. Thanks.
You would need a multimeter. There isn't a video of your exact model, but here is a video of how to test the switches on a different model. https://www.youtube.com/watch v = JustAnswer-Q&A.
Do you have a link for the magnetron replacement process as well? Thanks.
There is not a video for that process which would be relevant, I'm sorry to say.
Assume same process as the inverter board from the top of the unit.
That is correct, yes.
Okay, thanks. We'll try these next steps. Tom.
Good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.